morning. I just VIP announced. Okay. Good morning, Lisa. All right. Good morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. Morning, Miami Beach. All right, let's see what's hot this morning on the pre-market. Overnight, coin popped up to 370 during the open in pre-market, and is now back down to about 350 after hitting a low yesterday of around 310. So we have INO. First of all, we have VNR. I don't know much about it, but let's take a look. VNR, which was at a penny stock at 0.23, went all the way up to $1, 400%, but then came back to 35 cents, which is still almost 100%. So I'll be taking a look at that. I'll keep that up. VNR. And then we have ENO. Trading 3.5 million shares pre-market, 1.8 billion market cap. Closed at 888 yesterday. Has just popped up to 10.8 in pre-market, which is about 20% gain, maybe more, 25%, and is now at 10. So we'll be watching that for a potential momentum breakout trade this morning. All right, and then we also have TAOP. Let's take a look at that. Not as impressed with that one, but it does look like it could run today and break out of 9. Get rid of TEL. Another one is DEH. Closed at 10. Oh, it looks like it's probably a merger SPAC type of deal. Close is what it's been at 10, and I suppose they probably announced. So now it hit 10.9 and 10.5 in pre-market. Let me learn a little bit more about that. Let's see. DEH strikes $1.1 billion deal with Vicarious Surgical. Let's see. To CHFW to merge with Surrozen. They're surgical robotics companies backed by BDX and Sorotan Biotechs and are pre-revenue. So that's cool. They're robotic surgeon companies. That's kind of cool. DEH. TAOP. Did I already take a look at that? Yeah. And ASRT. Okay, ASRT looks a little better. Penny stock, 0.52. It closed yesterday, up to 0.78 today, is up to 0.6 right now. And now on the bigger cap front, let's see. Apple up 1.3%, Amazon up 1.2%, Facebook up 1%, Tesla up 1.6%, Nvidia up 2.3%. Let's take a look at that. That seems like the biggest gainer of the bunch. Closed at 611 and is now at 626. Okay, that's all right. Let's see if we can find any bigger gainers. Citibank C. Citibank went from 72 to 75, so that must be an upgrade. GSK is up 4.6%. It closed at 36 yesterday and is now at 37. It doesn't seem like a lot. Smith Klein. Dell is up 7.7%. That's a pretty big bump. Was at 92, hit 101. Let's see if there's some news on that. Let's see. Dell analysts raise price target after VMware spinoff opens investment grade path. And also, Dell is said to consider sale of Boomi cloud business. Boomi, B-O-L-M-I. So Dell might be on the move today. We'll be watching that. You want me to check out Zoom, Nikki, you're saying? Morning, Adam. Like ZM Zoom? Let's see. No, nothing interesting on Zoom. Not sure why you said that. Yeah. Particularly going on there. Unless you heard something. Maybe there's a rumor. Oh, it's up like a couple, just a little tick. Hi.
The coffee's getting ready.
Okay.
I'm gonna do some work at the other house. Let me know when I'm over.
Okay. And 8% also coin. Coin is up. So we'll be watching coin today. The pre-market breakout on coin would be 370. So we'll be watching for coin to break 370 today, because if it does, then it will run. Yeah, maybe, Alex. Like, SPY can just keep walking up for days. 3.4% IBN, not IBM, IBN. Not a lot of volume, but 14 to 15. That's just normal sector move. By the way, today rates are down and trending down. So that's good for tech. You can expect tech to go up. Oil, let's see. Oil is roughly at where we closed yesterday and trading around in that range. And then SPY, yeah, SPY is up and over yesterday's high. Let me take a look at SPY on the daily chart here. Yeah, it's just crawling up the top end of the channel. Continuing to crawl up the top end of the channel. I get another put at 414, and I get another one at 415, another one at 416. I'm just going to keep doing that. Between $2,000 and $5,000 starting is what you need in your account. More than that's better, but between 2 and 5 is, I think, where most members are starting out. Most starting members are at. Crowd, CRWD, lifting up off of yesterday's red day. Yeah, not much going on there. All right, I'm going to refresh the market chameleon. Let's see if we got anything new popping. GMBL at 8.4% gains. Okay. GMBL. Not a lot of volume, but it is moving in price. PPD and Playboy. Wow, on PPD. Closed at 38 yesterday. Then in after hours popped and held at 44, and then pre-market popped and it's holding at 46. That looks like really good. Let me see what the news is on that though. Oh, interesting. Okay, it's an acquisition. Thermo Fisher Scientific to acquire PPD. Right, so acquisitions, they don't move. That's why the price on that just pegged. All right, Playboy is moving. It's just trading, normal trading range. All right, so at the moment, that's pretty much what we have on the radar. Coin is trading at 346 right now. The best prospects on the radar seem to be maybe INO. If it breaks 10.82, looks like it'll run. Also TAOP. Let me get the float on TAOP. Let's see. Yeah, 6.6 million float on TAOP. So that one could really run. And then INO, 200 million float. So that one probably is not going to run. But TAOP looks like it could. Now, coin will still be pretty hot So uh, it does have a chance of breaking over 370 and making a move. As we saw yesterday, that's all it's got though. It's got to move, so you can get 10 or 20 points out of it, maybe 30. You got to make sure to take your profits. But that it doesn't look like it's behaving as if it wants to just run and run and run for days and days and days. Just wants to trade. Too many people dumping shares, I guess. Good morning, everybody. MoneyGram, what's the ticker? Oh yeah, so what happened with space? He's dropping $150 million. Yeah, so look at that. Dropped from 26 to 25 on that news. I guess I would like to see it go a little bit further down. Let me see. Where's a good buy point on space? I mean, it's low. If it can go into the 24s, that'd be a good price to buy and hold space for years. If you believe that it's going to do something, might be better to go with ARCX. How long do you think it's going to take before Deere creates industrial factory space agricultural products? Oh my God. Like that. Wow. Talk about an early long shot. And that probably just goes to show you how nuts Kathy Woods is. Oh my goodness. I guess you could say it was good for deer. All right, so we will see if coin has the energy today to push up and break out over 370. And yep, and uh, on momentum breakout side of things, we have TAOP, and then DEH is a SPAC merger starting up today. They're robotic surgeons company, robotic surgery, DEH. If you want to invest in that, you can get in now for $10.43. In case that thing is ever worth, if they have revenue in the future, that thing could be worth 10 times that or more easily. But by future, I mean like 10 years from now. Hey, everybody on TikTok. I'll be trading live today. You just have to click the link in my bio. AEO, retail earnings were awesome. Is there any issues with my audio? Some people said the audio didn't sound very good. You guys on the Zoom having any issues with the audio? How's my audio sound? Let's see how coin trades today. What's the ticker for the IPO again? Oh, that was DEH. Is that what you're talking about? For the robotic surgeons? Yes. Bank of America should do well. Rates are going up. Coin, yes, we shall see. If coin can push up and over 370, then maybe it'll run for 10 or 20 points or 30. So Bitcoin is at 63,300 and holding. So my alert to sell above 65,000, 64,000 into 64,000 and hold a little bit to sell above 65,000. Seems to be holding, and to re-enter more at 56,000 on Bitcoin. Come join me now for live trading today all day. Click the link in my bio. Hey Keith, good morning. Morning Nikki, morning Paul. Hey Paul, you want to paste a pre-market map for me of everything? That'd be kind of cool. Thanks. Let me take a look at that. I'll go over to the VIP. Is deer still an all right entry? Kind of at the top of the range right now. We're pretty much just sort of holding through it. So we're trying to see if we can get up further towards the top of the channel, maybe 405. But I think your risk is higher if you enter here. Okay, got it. Got the chart. Jesus, everything's up. It's like NVIDIA, Zillow, GSK up the most. What's down the most? PBR, DD. What's that red square next to lodging? What's that red square below Lulu next to lodging, Paul? I can't zoom up on that. What is that? DD, DuPont, and PBR. And Zillow. Really, nothing's really down substantially. Paul, do you know what I mean? Paul, are you able to see there? Next to lodging and residential, travel, apparel, right below Lulu is a very red square with no label. Which ticker is that? Somebody said, share your experience on Wink Coin. Like it's a spammer or something. Elliot, can you like get the Wink Coin dude to stop spamming? SPG, you think? Okay, let me see. Yeah, I don't think it's SPG, but that's all right. That's all right. We'll find out what's bleeding, what's running soon enough here. See, I really like the bubble view with the change from open. I'll probably have to get a real time. I'll have to get the elite account as well. See, Paul, look at, I'm pasting it in the VIP. This view I really like personally. but that's yesterday's chart, I think. Yeah. Yeah, that's yesterday's chart. Oh, you just gave you just gave me that? Yeah, but we got to click on them. Let's see. All right. That was helpful, actually. Thank you. I didn't even ask for it. Very helpful. Thank you. So RHI, HCA, Citicorp, HSY on the upside, TFC, Fang, Kim, and Lock on the downside. See how those stand out so easy? I love that. Change it to the whole stock market, not just the S&P too, so you get more. Oh, and those are changed from yesterday anyway, not changed from the open, but that's okay. That's really helpful. Looks like TFC might be struggling today. Maybe Fang. All right, we got 3 minutes to the open. I'll be right back. Okay, 59 seconds to the open. Thank you everybody on TikTok for tuning in for the pre-market there. We're going to be trading probably coin, DEHTAOP space, you guys. We might be getting a hedge on that. Space might be a hedge today. Market opens in 30 seconds. All right, we got 6 seconds. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Somebody says, can someone explain to me what is this all about? I'm too high for this. Best comment of the day. All right, that's great, everybody. On TikTok, make sure you click the link in my bio and follow me. See you in live trading. Come join my room. Bye-bye now. All right, coin. Definitely moving. And fight. Yeah.